Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I sign with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet. Talk about the things they're gonna say when they see me, and when they see me, they just dap me up and say good to meet me. I keep it going, flowing over this and make it look easy. Easy for me to say I do this every day of the week. I'm eager to be the one they talk about when all said and done with it. I'm the feature that they want, but then they don't when I come with it. I'm a seed, still a seed, filler, blow up the numbers, and I ain't leaving no crumbs, so you know when I'm done with it. I'm a new school vibe with an old soul, oh so great. Stay paid by the boatload, don't go chasing a wave. I'm a rowboat, blow smoke right through the face of the ozone. Oh no, I got the bag, I'm back to just double it. I'm about to pop the top, I've been bubbling. They want the spot, but I do not cut them in. They tryna plot my drop, they been huddling. Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I sign with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet.
I know a lot of people praying for my downfall, but the only thing that I'll be down for is being top 5, but like down 4. I'm down to earth like the ground floor, but I've been flying so long, I tend to ask people, what's the ground for? Man, I'm only headed up, see my flow volcanic, it's the fire I erupt. Heard the fans getting rowdy cause they haven't had enough. You know I'm running the city, you just running out of luck. Yeah, I said that with my chest, I flow hard, it's no wonder they easily impressed. I'm so
what up, chat? Good morning. Yeah. What's good?
My ex knows this. Let me expose this. She left cause she don't wanna be with an explosive man.
Alright.
Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot.
Yeah. How we feeling?
Small circle like island. Oh, inbox full of contracts, I sign with a stylist.
Yeah. How you feeling? What's up? What's up? Good morning. How y'all doing? How you feeling? How you feeling? Happy Friday. Feeling so tall I could give a high five to the pilot. What? What is good? Good to see you guys. Welcome in. Welcome in. Time to eat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Louis G in the building. What up, Stevie Mac? What up, Mr. Lopez? Ewan in the house. What up, Ewan? What up, Creative Like? Sam Capital in the house. I know you're dancing. I know he's dancing. What's up, Buzz Blab? Yo, Z Gamer in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Nikki? What up, Juan? Slayer Pixel Playground. Were you number 1 or 2 today? I can't remember. Yo. All right, let me get Zoom here set up. What time is it? 7:55. All right, cool. NFP day. I've got an account here to pass, or at least get halfway to passing. Actually, I got 2 accounts I want to do that with today. So yeah, we'll see if we got some fun with those 50Ks. I'm not going to trade my live XFAs until after NFP, like after probably 9:30 today. But I got some 50Ks that we're gonna let rip here today. So let me get the Zoom link out. One moment. How you guys doing? How'd you guys do in London? I seen you guys took some sort of a move, right? Good work. Let me share this. Hold on. All right. Zoomer. Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join the free Discord right now. Just hit !Discord in the chat. It'll pop up. And join the community, man. Join the community. 2025 is going to be the biggest year yet. No doubt about it. Let me just get this out. All right, Zoomers. You guys are good to go. We're ready to rock. Let's pray. And then we will begin. All right, Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you. Lord, we thank you for all that you do. Lord, we thank you for your word, for your promises that say if we abide in you, that you would abide in us. And we could ask anything we want and it would be given to us, Lord. I thank you for it. I thank you for that's there for for us to bear fruit is for your glory, Lord. So we thank you for bearing good fruit on us, Lord. We just give you all the glory for everything that you've done up until this point. We thank you. We honor you in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Don't you know it's for the Father's glory that you do well, that you bear good fruit, my friends. That's the message for you today. Don't hold back. Don't let society keep you mediocre, right? The Father in heaven will be glorified as you bear fruit, all right? So don't let mediocre minds tell you otherwise. Cool? I'm here to tell you the truth today. That's right. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. I think Zoomers are, yeah, you guys are good? Zoomers are here. Let me share the music. Boom, boom. All right, welcome in Clubhouse. AB Mike in the house. What up, AB Mike? What's up, Wokey? Legrand in the building. Big Legrand, Juan, Conrad, all the heavy hitters are coming in. All right, let's go ahead and get started here, ladies and gents. Happy Friday. So let me get this up. Today is Friday. It is, what is today, the 10th? Yeah, January 10th. And look, it's NFP day. It's another day to be patient, discipline, have some fun, learn some things, and enjoy this day in front of us here today. So let's act professional for the most part. If you guys are trading NFP, do it and do it safely. I might take some positions here for NFP as well today and join the party in a safe and potential profitable manner. All right, so let's talk about the day here. Again, it is the 10th day of January. We have NFP coming in here at 8:30, so that's going to be the big fireworks show here for us today. We should see a lot of volume coming in. I mean, I'm pretty bullish on gold at the moment, so we're going to take a look at all that, but I'm pretty interested to see how this all goes down. So first NFP of 2025 coming in today, and you're going to witness it right here. So it's going to be pretty fun. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts here, and let's do a fresh top-down analysis. If you guys can please give the stream a like, sub to the channel. If you've been here a few times and you haven't subbed yet, sub to the channel and just pull up, join us every day. Let us give you a roadmap. You know, most traders, they don't have a roadmap. They just show up every day and just try and pick a direction and make some money. So when you have a true roadmap, a true game plan, a playbook, things begin to get a lot more predictable. So that's what we're here to help you do. And yeah, sub to the channel, like the stream, and let's do a fresh top-down analysis. You guys ready? Ready? AB Mike's full margin ready. W. All right, let's talk about gold here. So this is the daily time frame on gold. As you can see, we have been moving up quite a bit off of this support level. I don't think we really have to talk about everything, all this and that, right? We've talked about that over the last couple days. All we know is, you know, we have a fresh support planted right here. We also have candles now closing above the resistance, and then now we are entering into this new range here, right? So potential to fill this entire range here, this orange range, by the end of the day. Pretty much, you know, that's what's left. So that could happen today. Now the one thing that's a little sketchy here, most of you guys are probably already pointing it out, is going to be this no bottom wick here, right? So is that no bottom wick because there's just a lot of volume in this candle, and NFP and numbers are going to come out and it's going to say, yo, we're going to continue pushing up? Or are we going to want to do some sort of like whipsaw type of candle, come down, make that bottom wick, and then potentially move back up later? So that's kind of why I tend to sit and wait on news to come out before getting in like around news. But all in all, I am very, very bullish here on the daily in terms of like this range being filled. With NFP day, NFP is when ranges get filled here. So we'll see what happens. Let's take a look at the 4 hour though. So the 4 hour candle has not closed above resistance yet. So that is pretty interesting, right? So you've got resistance sitting here, and we have not closed above that. We've actually just kind of closed right below it. So above that is all that range, right? The rest of the range that we have here. As you can see, we've just been pushing up. Ever since we closed above these ranges here, we've just been slowly pushing up there on the 4 hour chart. So now we're officially into that resistance. We've officially filled this range over here to the left hand side. We come into that resistance, and now we have to observe and see, hey, what's going to happen here, right? Are we going to begin to pull back to maybe move forward later, or what's the deal, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, so 1 hour is trying to form resistance. You also have support sitting right here. We've never closed below that support. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame here. 30-minute, yeah, look at this. Yeah, 30 minutes giving us a support. So yeah, we'll see what happens. If this 30 closes below, you may get a push down, or you may get some sort of a fake out, right? You may have NFP come out. We close below like this. Let me get this guy. Close below the range right here, right before NFP, right? And then all of a sudden you get the candles to give you that big push on the open, right? And then bam. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. I'm looking forward to it. I'm just going to be chilling out until 8:30. We'll see what goes down. I actually did take a buy here. That's why you see me up 1,200. So I'm not trading my XFAs here today on NFP Friday, but I am down to not gamble, but, you know, trade these 50Ks pretty heavily here today. So I don't think I can trade any more because I think you can only make half of the profits, right? So I'll probably move on to the next 50K account once we take another position. Cool. So that's it. That's my day. That is my day. So definitely ready to take more positions here. We'll just see where price wants to go and how we want to do it. Maybe we'll have a buy stop, sell stop for NFP. I don't know. Who knows? Anything could happen today. Anything could happen. What up, Rob Trades? Morpheus in the house. Yo, yo. What's goody? Zoomers. What's happening? Whoa, look at this. Pushing, pushing. Pushing, pushing. How many combines do you recommend to trade at the same time? As many as in your budget, you know. So take a look at like what you got, how much of an investment you've got, and then just spread it out. You know what I mean? The best of your ability. So I don't have any of them hooked up on a copy trader. I'm just going to trade them individually. My live accounts are on a copy trader, but not the 50Ks. So these accounts here, I don't care if I blow them or not. So you got to look at, say, how many times can I not care about blowing one? And then that's the number I would probably have. Yeah, budget it out. Budget. Sam Capital is here. Bright and early on NFP day. Let's go.
Oh, yo.
There he is.
What's going on?
There he is. And he's in the White House. Holy.
We're in the kitchen. Yeah, this is the Oval Office. We switched up a little today.
He's in the Oval.
Yeah.
Let's get this all set up here. There we go. Perfect.
Yo, who's ready to have an amazing day today?
I am.
Who's fired up?
Definitely.
Let's go.
Definitely. Can you talk us through your trade, bro? Yeah, it was very simple. It was just a buy right here. So I didn't care on this 50K account. I had like stops like down here, and then all I needed was like I couldn't make more than 1,500 on the trade, so I set it for like 1,300, which was like right there. And yeah, I just took the buy, tapped target, and that was it. It was an onion play, pretty much. Yeah, I could have had my stops anywhere, right? If I was seriously trying to protect the account, then I just put it right below the current candle low. But yeah, I was leaving it open for any sort of drawdown. Yeah. So it's a simple trade. By the way, Happy New Year, Alf Stacks. Good to see you, man. Sam, what are you thinking here today?
I'm thinking, let's bring up this NFP report real quick and see what they're forecasting so that we can give a reason why we think what we do. So last month's NFP was 227,000 jobs were created. However, this month they're only forecasting about 164,000 created, right? So that's about 70,000 less jobs. So if we were to see less jobs come out today, then that would be a bad thing for the US dollar and, obviously an inverse for gold, stocks, etc. So I'm more or less leaning towards them having a bad number. And then there's a couple other reasons that go with that too, with December being more of like a holiday month, and people aren't really out, looking for jobs or trying to get jobs. So I think we could see some red numbers here today, which would give gold some upside.
Cool.
But we'll see. We'll wait and see what the numbers do.
Yeah.
And they're also, if you look at the average hourly earnings too, last month they were It was 0.4%, and now it's down. They're forecasting it to be down, so that would also be less money to the people that are working jobs with a wage. So that's less money for them in their pocket to be able to go out and spend it in the economy. So that would be a bad thing for the dollar.
Yep. So press buy. Just make sure you time it.
What it's looking like.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it makes total sense. We'll see. We'll see. That's what I was anticipating here. That's why I ended up taking the buy. I really didn't care. Like, I mean, I only needed the 1500 for whatever it was, but like I was expecting after seeing like a bunch of struggle here, like thinking a bunch of buyers are getting in to the struggle to the downside, and then that last drop, and then you know I thought we could take a
once it started bouncing from there, it's showing the strength.
Yep. But maybe now this is the case, right? So maybe a lot of buyers are in here that didn't get out, like, and now they're all wiped out.
They're trying to anticipate the NFP move and get in early. Now it's like trying to stop them out.
Yep.
So we'll see. But I'm seeing the same thing that you do.
Yep.
Which is usually a good sign, chat. That's usually a great sign.
To be honest, if I didn't just need the 1200 or whatever, I probably would have held this and took a stop on the break of the low, or I probably would have maybe break even. But I was anticipating we could start moving up from there. So we'll see. This could be the liquidity here. It's cranking. It's cranking. What's up, Juan? How many contracts? I did 5 contracts on that one. 5 contractees.
I kind of like this. It looks like I'm standing, like I'm actually in the office.
Yo. Whoa, where'd he go? Yeah, that's about as far as you can get.
Any further back and you can't see me.
Nah.
That's funny. I like that.
Do you Raja? Yeah, we'll Raja today. We'll have buy stops and sell stops maybe. Preloading for the pump up. Yeah, I definitely think that too. What up, Stephen B?
You're on to something.
Yeah. He's on to it. Stephen B in the house. Man, in Asian session last night, I called this dude Steven. I'm like, nah, that just sounded weird. That just felt weird. I'm like, your name is legit Stephen B. Like, that's just your full name now. Like, there's no, like, that is your first name. Stephen B. Stephen B. It's just one word. Stephen B. I say, yo, what up, Steven? Like, wait, what?
Boss?
Baller. Baller.
Like
Billionaire.
Oh, hey, you're coming up with some good ones.
The Bailey. Stephen Bailey. Woo. Hey, they're going to call you Stephen Bailey, bro. Telling you, just wait on it.
Beast Baller Billy, Triple B, the triple threat, Stephen B.
No Triple H.
And that Triple H, Triple B.
Ooh, can we take flight from here?
Can you hear my bird in the background at all? I just want to make sure she ain't.
Nah, I can't.
Okay, good. Then I can chill. He likes to
Unless that was her that just said order filled. I don't know. Chat, you guys heard that, right? Order filled. Let's see if the big homie's out here streaming today. Hold on. Let's check them out. Let's check out YouTube. How many streams y'all got up right now, chat? I'm about to see if the big homie's on here. Yeah, he is. Chat, I got 2 streams up. How many you guys got?
He's got the crazy eyes.
I got the crazy eyes right now. Actually, technically, I only have 1 stream up.
2682, you still have a very, very, very clean range. 2682. There's actually a very, very clean range above 2682, so we'll have to see. I'm still here, and my proposal too for the grapes. So basically, I'm hiring someone to cut my grapes for me. So have a look at BTC. Is it a sell? Man, who cares about Bitcoin? What are you trying to do? Yeah, we are coming up to some sort of resistance.
Googly eyes.
Right?
Hey, I'm only watching one
take a
stream. I don't know what you guys are talking
Put
about.
your stop loss. Put your
I got
stop
3
loss,
streams
you
up.
know, above here, whatever. I don't care.
Bitcoin.
See over here. Oh wow, there's.
All right, we'll check back
no
in with
spread on Bitcoin.
Mr. Roger in a couple minutes. Couple minutes. What do you guys have planned for today? You guys looking at gold, NASDAQ, ES? What are you guys looking to trade here?
Gold.
Who else do I watch? I only watch Raja, legit. Like, I'm a market fluidity student, member, all that. Like, I don't really watch anyone else in terms of trading. I'll listen to like podcast mindset stuff, but in terms of like the actual trading stuff, just Raja. Just Roger and the markets. And Sam Capital.
Oh, I like Raja too. That's pretty much the only one I listen to. Dude, he's been saying the same stuff too. He's like the most consistent.
Yeah.
Well, not the most, but you know, he's a G, bro. I learned a lot from
Top
him
G.
too at the beginning. Yeah, I learned a lot from him.
Yeah. Same. Pretty much everything I learned from him. And then my own little time in the markets. That's what you guys are looking like right now. Damn, how do you watch 3 though? How do you watch 3? That Yo, you gotta unlock the third eye to be watching 3. Some of you guys are some special people, man. You guys are special. Unlocking that third eye.
Cheers.
Oh man. Yeah, this is talent right here. It really is. I used to try and do this. I actually used to try and do this with my ears as well. Like, I would have like Raja over here, Don over here, Don in this ear, Raja in that ear. I was legit looking like homie right there. Like, legit, that was what my face looked like. If some of you guys look in the mirror, your face might look like this right now.
You got your eyes going 2 different directions.
Yo, chill. Gotta have to see the eye doctor. The eye doctor. Yeah, we're about to take flight.
Oh,
You see how that was like a
back up.
inverted celery too there. Somewhat of a way.
Pack.
Grabs a whole lot of pack.
Oh, look at that closure. What is that? 15?
Yeah.
Crazy.
15 more minutes. Let's see. Maybe Trump will release the news here.
Yeah, maybe he'll give us some insider info early, bro. I'll never forget that. I always love telling the story whenever he tweeted out the day before. It was like a Thursday afternoon. He's like, wait till you guys see the job report coming out tomorrow.
I know.
It's one of the nicest ones. So it's like, what does that mean? Obviously, good job report, bro. Gold's bleeding. Stocks flying.
They were pissed at him, dude.
They were, too. I think it was the SEC or whatever got on them, and they were like, yo, the security, whatever, administration, they're like, you gotta chill, buddy.
Yeah, you gotta chill. He's like, shut up.
Yeah, he's
And
like,
then bam,
"I'm
gold
so
starts
hot."
flying up.
Yeah.
That's the cool part about him, is he says something controversial, and then like the next thing he says, like you would think he'll correct it, and he kind of like doesn't. You're just like, nah, don't play with me. And then price just continues. Like, it's wild. Did you see him yesterday at the Carter
Oh, yeah, he was there with, like, Obama.
Yeah, he was sitting next to Obama.
Yeah.
What's her name? Whatever her name is. She looked back, bro. She looked like she was tight. That
He
like
probably was. They were
Trump and
back there laughing and that.
yeah. They were like back there like chatting it up, talking, and Harris just like, screw these guys. Yeah.
That's funny. I didn't watch the whole thing, but I saw some clips of it.
Yeah, me neither. I just seen like one little clip. That clip. Yeah, it's gonna be a great 4 years, man. The everything's a bit sketchy though. Everything's sketch these days.
Yeah. That's why you just gotta keep on them horse blinders and do what you know and do what you can do and
That's it.
let the outside world happen. Yeah.
The only world that matters is really your world. Like Mr. V would always say, you know, we don't participate in recessions. I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, yeah, we control our pocket economy. That's really the only economy that we can control, so that's the one we focus on. So he taught me very early, like, if you focus on your own pockets and don't worry about who's president, who's not president, this, that, like, and just play the game for what it is, you'll be on top.
Yeah, because
he wasn't lying.
Every like 5-10 years, you just see the same stuff over and over.
Yeah.
So.
Yep. What up, lad? Dominic in the building. What's good, Dominic? What's good? What's good? That's hilarious. Let's see if we can pull that one up. This is what Trump said to Obama right here.
What do you want to do? How you doing? Watch your mouth. Nobody knows nothing. How you doing?
That's why they were laughing. That's why they were laughing so much. Only bands. That's hilarious. Oh, you haven't heard that in a while, right?
No. I'm saying Obama. He's never heard that one.
Oh, yeah. He said.
How you doing?
Yeah, that's what he said after Trump told him. How you doing?
Yo, Artin, good evening, my friend. Good evening. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in.
I always thought it was funny, like, how Obama talks. Like, he's like, my fellow Americans.
Yeah.
We need to come together and fight back against the terrorism. Like, yeah.
He always hits it with the. You gotta tell you.
I forgot all about
Hilarious,
that.
bro.
Yeah.
Man. 820.
They just started going,
So funny.
820, yeah, we got a little COMEX open.
Commodities are open. Here we go. They're ready for NFP. They're ready. What trade did I take this morning? I just took a buy right here. Yeah, right here. Support form, buy taken. I actually, so I had it marked off for like 1,300 because I could only make 1,500 on this account. So I just put the, TP right there and it got hit. Yeah, so I'll probably trade. I'm not going to trade my live accounts today, the 150Ks, but I do have another 50K combine that I'm going to probably go a little heavy on here today as well. Yeah. No, I probably wouldn't have taken that on my live 150Ks, just pre-NFP and all that. But these 50K here's I'm literally down to risk the entire drawdown in one trade if I like the direction. Yeah. I did the same, rocked another combine up fit. Let's go, Zach. Yo, wait till you see Zach's story. Zach's here in the clubhouse, literally revamped his entire life to lock in on trading. Ends up fasting until funded. Starts this whole idea. And how long were you fasting for? How long did it take you to get funded?
Hours.
64 hours. How many of you guys ever wanted to get funded within 64 hours? All the time, right? But you didn't have any purpose behind it, right? You see, when you give yourself 64 hours, you get things done. When you give yourself 2 months, it'll take 2 months. You give yourself 2 days, it'll take 2 days, right? So a lot of times we just have to have a little bit more of a aggressive, a little bit more urgency, right? When it comes to our dreams and goals, right? Success loves speed. So he has a budget, he has a whole plan, he has everything mapped out, right? To what he has to do to accomplish his goals. And success loves urgency. It loves speed. So good work, bro.
Shout out to Zach.
Yeah.
Super inspirational what he's doing.
How was that steak last night?
You guys should have seen him too, like flying through the streets and that on the scooter. Bro was just
Facts.
He's free.
Man picked up and just moved to Thailand for his dreams and goals. Just saved up, used his brain, saved up X amount of dollars to buy himself a window of opportunity. That's what winners win, man. Wait, where'd you
trades by the beach?
Yeah, now he trades by the beach and eats top of the line steaks for $35. Holy! And left a $160K year job. Sheesh, who would do that? Not many.
Put it all on the line. That's why it's so inspirational, and yeah, he's got an awesome story.
Yeah. We got a podcast coming soon, so we're going to be interviewing a lot of TT traders, ones that are starting to have success. I mean, it's just, we knew it was just a matter of time, right? Before each and every one of us starts rolling into that momentum season, and my friends, it's happening. It's happening. So we're seeing it all over the place. Proud of every single person here that just has been dialed in, and your time is literally coming, if it's not here already. What up, Lights Fire? How are you?
What up, Max? What up?
How are you?
What up? What up? Mr. Lights Fire.
Lights Fire. Fire. What's up, Edson? That's right, Stephen B. That's right. Wait, Zach, where did you move from again? Where did you live before
Canada.
that? I forgot. Was it Canada?
Somewhere in Canada.
You get the life that you focus on. That is right.
In Calgary.
Oh, Calgary, Canada, eh?
Calgary. Yeah.
Calgary, right? Calgary, eh?
I don't know. Where it was 0 degrees. Oh,
Now he's chilling in Thailand. Oh, man. You're a G, bro. Let's get it.
yeah, that's awesome.
All right. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. What are we doing here? Who's got buys? Who's got sells? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. I'm about to get ready. Get on this other account here. Let's see if we could do anything with it. So I had this account to see if I can get like close to 1,500 on it today with NFP, and pre-NFP gave me 12 hundo. So I'll probably stash this one away. I don't want to make too much on the day because I could only make 1,500 on this account here. So I'm just going to leave it at 12 and go over to this next 50K combine. Yeah, I don't care if this account blows. Like, I'm going to basically risk pretty heavy here in some sort of direction that I feel is good and see if we can get another 12 to 1,500. Yep. My 150K lives, I'll maybe trade those later after like 10 a.m.-ish when things settle down a bit. What's my record this year? Like 7-3 maybe, 7-3, something like that. Throughout the clubhouse and the streams. Got my account and some profits too. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm gonna buy. Nice, Conrad. Nice, nice. What's good, Josh? How are you, bro? JDeezy. Oh, yeah, let's go back to Roger. Hold on.
He's about to open up the casino.
Oh, man. Hurry.
Who else is watching from Nigeria? Not me, buddy. I'm in Dubai.
2 minutes.
I have $150. What's your advice? Get prop firm or trade live? Oh, you have $150? Go get yourself Market Fruity University for 1 month.
Facts.
And learn.
Yo, learn.
If you got $150,
See,
you want to gamble it?
that's what people
If
really
you have
don't
$100,
quite
Would
understand.
you gamble it or would you learn a skill?
You have to listen to successful people, right? What you would do with 150 compared to what a successful individual would recommend are probably totally two totally different things, right? And that's why that's why certain people have less money and certain people have more money, right? Because they know how to make better decisions.
And then use your skills to make more money.
Skills,
Yes.
man, skills.
Don't be a retard, bang. Come on. Casino time.
I'm done.
Casino time.
Let's go, Raja.
Price
We're rooting for you.
to 26.73. I'm going to be using a small lot size, like a 10 lot.
He's funny.
We got 1 minute.
Uno. Who's in? Who's in?
All right.
He's taking a trade based on his. Hey, Chala. Holy, what are you doing? Chala.
Brother's calling him out.
Chala.
Nothing.
Ah. Okay, here we go. How'd the numbers come out?
Right, buddy. So we got 30 seconds left. Price is moving down. You know what I'm going to do?
Ooh.
Nothing. I'll do nothing. If price goes down, I'll take a buy. This is
I'll do
wild, man.
nothing.
16
He said, if price comes down, I'll take a buy.
This is news.
Hey, I want to see how these numbers come out because I may also be interested.
10,
Oh, snap.
8, 7,
Oh, we seen some, what kind of numbers?
5,
Oh, if he takes a buy.
4, 3, 2.
Oh, is he going to buy?
Oh,
Oh, good. He didn't buy.
Buy right here.
Oh, we've seen some really green numbers. So that would have been good for the dollar. So we had a $256,000 or not dollar, 256,000 jobs were created instead of the forecasted 164,000.
Wow.
The spread opened my
So yeah, you had
That's
100,000. Yeah, more than they were predicting. So
Sheesh.
unemployment is also down, and then no change in the average hourly earnings. So yeah, gold should honestly continue down.
Wow. That was
But
unexpected.
Not what I was expecting, honestly.
Roger Wallen. He said, I'm going to take a buy. Bro,
Wow.
what the heck?
Later.
We got a blader, boys.
Later.
$100
Damn.
pip drop over here.
100 pips.
That is nuts. That's why I don't trust
Is that
those
your
trend
wrist?
lines.
Hold on.
Sometimes work most
I love this guy's reactions.
Sometimes they work. Okay. Nothing.
He said, huh?
Wild. Night. Oh, buy right here. Is that what Medika said? No. No.
This guy.
What even happened?
He would have been good. He would have made.
Oh, man.
He would have been good.
The spread opened my position way over there. Instant 50 pips left. Instant.
Dang.
This is wild. This is when you say open, Joel.
Who experienced slippage in futures? Anyone?
This is wild, man. This is
Probably not. Probably not.
Yeah, he's going crazy.
Yeah, he's
That's
wild.
why we like to wait for the numbers and see what they do.
Yo, congratulations, Edson. Damn. Hey, Am I not right about that? Someone in a clubhouse on this 50K, I can only make 1,500 max per day. Can someone just verify that for me? Yeah. All right. Cool. Sweet. Thank you guys. Thank you. You can make more technically, but then it's gotta. Yeah. I get it. I don't want to go through all that, so I'll probably just leave that one at like 12 and then start something on this one. Wow, look at this thing. We got a bleeder. 150. Can we see 2682? Can we see 2682 here, man? This is let's see that daily candle. Yup, there's our daily lower wick. There it is. Didn't it seem impossible, right, when price was up here for that daily candle to make a lower wick? But it just goes to show you, like, the numbers stay true, man. 85% of candles have both top and bottom wicks, and at any point, if the candle doesn't have it, there's an 85% chance it's going to come down at some point to make that lower wick, and here it is. Crazy. Sweet. Usman. Forgot about the consistency rule. Yeah, then you end up making too much and Yeah, Zach, nice, bro. Yep. Look at that 4 hour. So again, the 4 hour here never closed above the range and continue to reject. Just continue to reject. Yeah, that was a beauty.
Low blader.
Something light. I think 82 is coming in hot here. Let's keep an eye on 82. Yeah, that was exciting. Nice little fireworks show.
Yeah, it's only been 5 minutes.
Now that's a 5-minute candle. Yeah, yeah, my man. Yeah, maybe I should lock out of this one. All day. Yeah, you don't get how you can make too much. Yeah, I know. So it's so basically, like, number one, it helps the firm, right? So that way no one's making too much money on any given day. So that's first things first, right? But they're also looking for consistent traders, So Billy O'Neill here in the clubhouse, and who's been a TT member for such a long time now, he posted something, and I want to show you, because this is what, if I own a hedge fund and I'm going to allow you to trade my capital, or any other sort of hedge fund or anything like that, this is what they want to see. Things like this. They don't really want to see you, like, this is a very nice steady incline. It's very, you have your little dips here, you have your little dips, and it's just steadily moving up. So when, when you see something like this, I mean, that just goes to show you that, like, maybe that trader got lucky, right? And then you see things like this, and then, like, all of a sudden, like this. So, like, it's like that trader's in a way just over risking and gambling on those positions, right? So you don't want to see a rowdy rogue trader like that, right? As a owner or as a firm, you want to see a nice steadily move up. Someone that's, taking care of business and not losing too big and also not winning too big, just steadily climbing. So that's really what you want to see in your P&L, consistently, like week after week, month after month. And now you know, hey, you're actually following a system, you know, for the most part. So, and yeah, you will have your little spikes up for sure, but it shouldn't be anything radical, like too crazy. Shout out to Billy. W, bro. B21. You know what the B stands for.
Boss, billion, beast.
Billy the billionaire, you know what I mean?
Billy gonna make a Billy.
Billy gonna make a milli trading like that. Yeah, they want steady flow. Exactly. And let's not get it twisted, right? At the same time, it's also to protect the firm, so the firm doesn't have to pay out too much money on any given payout, right? So Billy with the milli. Still holding on my funded. Nice, nice. Yeah, yeah, exactly, Mr. BTC, yeah. But it won't be anything aggressive, you know? Chala. Holy, he's here. I think we all seen an evolution in props to weed out the gamblers. Yeah, and the CME is like cracking down on that too. And they want to, like, I think if any regulations come in from the CME, most likely it'll be for like the whole just like winging it type of thing. Like right now, what they really want to see is clear path to funded. So the model is actually like, you know, in guidelines, right? So you're probably going to see a lot of like, what do you call it? More like just gambling, you know, just gambling traders. You're going to see a lot of that start to calm down, especially if you're over in the future side of things and more, you know, consistency and, you know, more steadiness in the trader versus that big spike. And, you know, back when we were with like my Forex funds, like you get funded with them in one day. Yeah. So they don't want to see that. They know that that's not, sustainable. Oh, they ripped him out of the office? Oh, man. Oh, man. So, yeah, look, I think my bias has kind of flipped a little bit here, especially if the 4-hour closes bear. So we'll take a look at how everything starts lining up. But 30-minute candle's still open. 15-minute candle's still open. 5-minute pushing up here. So, yeah.
Yeah, my bias has definitely changed after the news.
Yeah. So, like, maybe a little resistance or something, and then potential sells.
Yeah, maybe 9:30. 9:30
Yeah.
cheat code.
The cheat code. So maybe the next 15-minute kind of, you know, pushes up like this. Create resistance. And then we can move down. Right? Something like that. And then we fill that wick later.
Beautiful.
9:30. Clip it.
Clip it. I like that.
Clip
Looks
it.
beautiful. Beautiful.
Yep.
I just realized today is Friday.
It's Friday, yeah.
Dang. Dang.
Oh, hold on. We got to see this. You were in the cell? Why are you mad? I was in that cell? Looks good to me. Look real good to me.
Unless you got in way down there.
True, true. Everything is timing, man. Everything's timing.
Do you find this information helpful? Like you can go through it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Like market doesn't know what to do at this point. It moves down. It moves
It
up.
don't know. It don't know.
Can you look at this, please? Was it a good idea? Good idea for what? Buy, sell, stop loss. You like what? Did you manage trade? Oh, for a sell? No, bad idea because 30-minute is 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles.
Too far.
And you
Too
have
low.
support right over here. So
Oh.
what made you think that this 30-minute candle will break support and moving down after it already moved? What's this? 750? 750 minus 250. 50 pips. After pound yen is moved 50 pips.
Sound familiar?
You need to move down. You know, so for that, I would have waited for this candle to make a top wick and break below this low. Wow, look at that.
Wow, yeah, that pullback. Remember, exhaustion wicks later become wicks to fill.
Who sold? Don Wu sold
So-
the bottom. Go look. Let's take a look at a retard here.
If you Yo, this guy Rajas.
Let's see. That's exactly what he did with everyone's money on that man. Where is he?
Oh, I thought that was Wes. I was gonna say he watches
That's
Wes.
exactly what he did with everyone's money. I can guarantee you that. That's exactly.
Raja's trolling.
Oh wow! Oh shit! Wow!
Oh damn. This guy's. Bro, his chat though. His chat.
Like hyenas, bro.
He's gonna block me, so I'm not gonna say
Where's
that.
Uncle Ted?
He's gonna block me. Man, this is crazy. That's a stop
Damn.
loss, man. That's a stop loss. That is a stop loss. Like, imagine. This is the difference between Don Wu size and
This guy. He'll stay trolling, bro. Yo, yeah, a streamer watching another streamer. Holy. Stream reception. What up, Augie? What's goody? What's goody? What's goody? Inception. Wow, man, look at this pullback. Holy moly. Sam, you got the stash going on? Oh, my bad. Hold on. I can't. Hold on one sec.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
The stash.
pistachio.
Oh, you mean my mustache?
Yeah.
This thing's gonna go away.
It's gone away? It's gone
Before I
away?
get it. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not too big of a fan of just like growing it out. I used to, but it gets itchy and I don't know. I feel like I look cleaner with this shaved. I don't know.
That's that like 1980s teenage stash
Dude, I
right
used to
there.
just do the what do they call it? The
The
goatee.
goatee?
Like the car salesman. Just running the goatee.
I'll see what I can do for you. Let me go talk to my manager over here. I'm like, yo, you guys are always doing these little secret meetings over there. I don't like it. Tell your manager, come out here.
Yeah, you'll sit there and work with them for 30 minutes trying to get the price down, and then they're
Word.
like, "Let me take this back to my finance manager." Bro, what we just do this whole time?
Why wasn't I speaking with him in the first place, G?
Yeah, sit me next to him. We're gonna make a
Facts.
deal.
Oh, man. Gold wanted to make that daily bottom wick, that's for sure. Now, will we move back up? I don't know. Look at that, man. Look at that. So we travel down 186 pips just to flip, and then 250. Wow. We travel down 250 from the highs there just to come down and make a steep bottom wick. Insane.
Crazy.
Because, like, I know the news is saying one thing and, like, technicals are kind of saying another now, you know? Like, I mean, outside of that original push there, now, like, the daily candle's flipping bullish and you're still, like, you're still in this breakout. like from this range here, right? Like if this is like a 30-minute time frame, like we're still let me just redo that.
Range,
like, yeah, we're still kind of above that range there, and with the potential to fill it
with clean traffic. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna hop on my computer. I'll be right back.
Okay, cool.
Get in the office.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, you know what I mean, chat? So you still are in this breakout here, right? We have this breakout. We're still trending bullish on the daily time frame, right? And you still have this range up ahead to fill. So, you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. I think 9:30. We wait for 9:30. We should get some more price action to print, and then we'll be able to tell kind of where that next 30-minute candle wants to roll. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this is still clean. Yo, that was wild. What a rejection there. Did we hit 82? No. Crazy. Oh yeah, by the way, above let's go to the 30-minute real quick. Above here is where that clean range comes back again. I think there's some resistance over here. Yeah, some resistance right here. Right? And then above that is just money. So let's zoom out here and take a look where we are. Yeah, that's nice. Same thing with the 4-hour. Keep in mind, like, that last candle just never closed above, right? That's why you may have gotten a bit of a struggle to actually push back up. But now after grabbing all that liquidity, right, this candle closes in 1 hour. So if you get 9:30 to continue pushing up, I mean, that's going to be your daily, your 4-hour candle now closing above the range like that, right? That's good sign for the daily to keep running up here. So we'll see here. We'll see. What a rejection. Brings back memories. What? Oh, the car thing. The car. Hey, Wokey on the live stream. Wokey's on the live stream. Let's get it. Yo, Lily, what's good, my man? How are you? Hey, beautiful trades taken over the last week here in the clubhouse. Shout out to Magnus and John, just dropping some bangers. Beautiful higher time frame, lower time frame correlation trades. Understanding volume coming in, just money, guys. Money. Money. The Prather Trader is in the house. What's up, bro? How are you? What up? How's the weather, man? Getting cold in the south, huh? What do you think caused the rejection back up? Yeah, that's a good question. Outside of price action, I don't see anything here. Don't see nothing here, so. But yeah, technically we didn't make yeah, that's true. So you're continuing to making higher highs and higher lows, right? I mean, if you respect that support right there, right, and then close above, I think that looks pretty good to me, right? Might have to wait for a closure above here on the 1 hour, but you got smooth sailing when you get above that. But we'll see. Still got some time here on this candle. Trump maybe tweeted. Hey, if you guys wanna, you gotta download Twitter or whatever they call it now, and start following Trump and the Trump administration for your daily fundamental excitement. Yo, Zach, someone eat those edibles over there, eh? Snowing? Oh, man. No way. No way. Imagine we seen snow in Tampa. It was like 35 degrees today. It's only 47 right now. All right, let me go grab some water. I'll be right back. Wow. Continuing to move up here. Lovely, lovely. You got a layer of snow? Where's that? Jason C? Where that? Where that? Yo, does anyone have these beat solos? I got them like a week or two ago. I haven't tried them yet. They good? I'm hoping that they're good for the gym. I don't even know why I haven't opened these yet. I see some people in the gym. They say they're pretty snug. These ones are not good for the gym. These ones are, they'll fall off. So I was looking for like a one that kind of snugs up good. Anyone got them? Beats Solo 4. Cool box. I like the box it comes in. Done for the day. Let's go, Louis G. For the week. Not a bad idea. Atlanta got snow. Yeah, that's what I'm hearing. That's what I'm hearing. How were they, J. Coop? Did you like them? They were good? Nice. Like, you can run and stuff with them? Yeah? Alright, bet. That's what I was hoping for. Studios? Which ones are those? Are those Beats also? Ever since I joined your live stream, I've been disciplined. Let's go. W. Congratulations. And how does it feel and how are the results? Let me ask you that. How are you feeling about trading and the future of your trading? And have the results changed at all? Even if you're not rolling in the dough and throwing $100 bills around in the room yet, how has have you seen progress? Sir, can you teach us 30 lock scalping strategy? Oh, okay, they're smaller. Yeah, I know what you mean. Yo, you funny, son. You funny. I remember the original beats. Who had the original beats? Yeah, 34 lot scalping. That's it. Eagle 4000. You don't need anything else. You don't need the 30 lock X. All you need is the triple Mocha Choka, triple ripple Eagle 4000. That's it. Don't make trading complicated, you know? Oh, where's Zoom? Hold on. Let me know when Sam comes back. I can't see him. Johnny Gems is on the road today. So pray for him and his trip. He's on the road heading from New York to Florida. We appreciate y'all praying. Heading down. So he'll be back, I think, tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Actually, I think they're sleeping in a hotel overnight. So they'll be back. They'll be back this weekend. And he'll be back next week. So I don't know if he'll be here today. He was in Pre-New York. Did you guys catch anything in Pre-New York? I'm not too sure. Pre-NFP, I doubt it, right? By the way, gang, we have switched the clubhouse schedule up, and I think we're all enjoying it a lot better. So now what we're doing is we're still streaming Asian session every night for about 2 hours together. We're also streaming London session still from 1:30 a.m. Eastern to 4 a.m. Eastern. But now we've also added the pre-New York session. So that takes place from 6 a.m. to like 7:15, maybe even 7:30 in the clubhouse. So we do pre-New York now as well, and then I come on for New York session, and we run this session till like 11:30, 12, and that's it. Yeah, we're done for the day after that. I think that makes more sense price action wise. I think it also makes more sense for everyone's schedule, right? Especially some of you guys out in the UK and all over where times are different. So I think it works out good. Daniel, my man Daniel. What's up, the Groomsmith? No, brokers can't track the Eagle 4000 either, though. I'm telling you, it's undetected. Only if you have the Mocha Choka indicator on. Like, once the Mocha Choka indicator's on and we have TK going there, it's over. No broker will ever be able to detect that. Yeah, trust me. So join the Eagle 4000, hook up the Mocha Choka, and quit playing with that Lock 30X stuff. Tell them, chat. Tell them. Does anyone agree with me? You have to hire TK though as a private subcontractor to do the whole installation of the Mocha Choca too. So it's a little pricey, but it works out in the long run. Telling you, the whatever that is, lock 30 don't have nothing on this thing. Nothing. Trust me. Okay, 9 a.m. Eastern. So 4-hour candle still open. Would love to see if this new 4-hour candle is going to close above the range here. So far so good, but we'll see. Daily looking good again. Look at that. Almost seemed impossible, right? For the daily to make the low and then come back up and re-break the high, eh? Oh, man. I'm telling you, price action. Candlesticks, man. Oi.
No, I didn't even see you. Did it?
Oi.
We back.
All right. What were you on your phone? But what were you on before?
Yeah, I was just on my phone.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, the audio. I think the audio was a little distorted too on that because you sound a lot more clear now.
Yeah, it's probably real nice now. I got the headset on.
Yeah.
Yeah, good thing. I just hopefully that it's loud enough for you guys to hear me today.
I think
know
today
you
it's
guys said
louder.
yesterday.
Guys, do
Oh,
you think Sam's louder today? It sounds louder to me, unless I just got my headphones up.
Like to stream, like to stream, like to stream. That's your sound.
Ooh,
Test.
yeah. Testing,
Like to
testing.
stream,
Like the stream. Sub to the channel.
Sub to the yeah.
The channel.
Chala says louder. Oh. So you mean like turn it up, Chala?
Turn up. Wow, look at this push, man. This inverted celery. I'm kind of a little salty here. I didn't really expect all this that quickly. Anyone take this buy? Money. Boom, boom. Jala. How we feeling? Where's my boy Green at today?
Greenery.
Green. Where is he?
Where they at though?
Yeah, anyone who took that buy, I think that's a pretty good buy.
Hey, there he is. What up, Greenery?
There he is. There he is.
Xander, you like my IG stories? All right, I'll make sure I keep doing them.
You gotta put the beard filter on though.
The one I was sending her with you. Yeah, dude. You guys should have seen the filter I found on Instagram. I was sending it to Nick Stew. I look like Paul Bunyan.
Paul Bunyan.
Paul Bunyan.
I haven't heard that name in a minute.
Chopping lugs. Yeah.
Paul Bunyan.
Paul Bunyan, he's got his ox Babe. I think that was his name.
Yeah, that's right. That's
or was
right.
it Blue? Something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, it did close above too. I mean like the actual candle pattern here. So you got a big rejection to the top side, a very small wick on the top. So I don't think like this is a bad idea with stops kept below the low to come up here for like 28 pips. Wasn't too bad. Like a 1R.
Yo, it's crazy. I was watching it though. I was hopping back on. I was like, oh, yeah, this thing is moving back up.
Yeah.
Crazy.
That daily,
I'm wondering
dude.
if like the NFP news is just like out the window now. Came and went. Because that's like one thing that I've always said too is like price action candles are king. Like fundamentals are awesome. They help you out with your analysis. You know, they give you a bit of an idea of where the market's moving. But if you don't have candles giving you your setup, entry, exit, all the above,
Yeah.
how are you going to place a trade?
Yeah. So you still need that.
Yeah.
Oh my
Price
God.
action.
Who let the bots out? Who let the bots out? Damn.
Oh.
Why are there bots in the chat? The Lock 30. The Lock 30 bots.
That's funny.
Yeah, you could tell they're
I've seen a
bots because
couple
they're
people
coming in with
saying that.
different usernames.
Different names saying the
Yeah.
same thing.
The same damn thing. Maybe they got a Lock 30X. Like maybe when they hear that the algo puts a like, yeah, they're talking about it.
Yeah. It hears us saying it. He's like, oh, hey, they're interested.
Maybe they're interested.
Send it over
Let's get a link out there. Send the link, random. Send the link. I'll take a
where
look
is
at
this
it.
Lock 30X. Is it going to make me the locked in US 30 XX underscore pip sniper XX, whatever you want to call it?
Right? We're interested. Send us the link.
That's what I'm going to change my name to. I'm going to be this. I'm going to type it in the YouTube chat. Yeah, you ever see the people with like these usernames? Oh. Dude, I can't type today.
Me neither.
That's gonna be my new name. Pip Sniper.
Mr. Big Pip.
Oh,
Hey, some of you guys don't know. Fun fact, Sam Capital was live streaming on YouTube before me. And I actually used to be on his stream, and my my YouTube name at that point was Mr. Big Pip.
Oh yeah, that's a Big Pip. I couldn't remember what it was.
Remember that?
That's funny. Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah. Yeah, man. And then what was it? You messaged me because it was like I streamed for a good while, but it never like took off. But then like
Yeah.
I hit up Nick because I seen he started streaming too, and I was like, "Yo, let me come
Yeah.
on there, bro."
Yeah.
And then history. It was history
Facts.
after that.
Facts. Yeah, I remember I would pop in all the time and be like, yo, let's go. I was never quaking, right? You never see me quaking.
Nah.
Nah, never quaking. Never. I can't
There
relate.
was some guy I'll never forget though. His name was Pikachu, dude. And he would come in there every day. And like, keep in mind, like, Chad, I only had like 10, 15 viewers. So like, this dude would come in every day talking about like, bro, you suck. Bro, you. I'm just like, bro, Pikachu, bro. He was
That's
so
how it is.
entertaining though. I remember
Yeah.
there was one time I was like pretending to get all mad at him, and I got up in the camera and I was like, "Listen here, buddy.
Listen
I
here,
can't
little
film
man.
a Stream. You probably would have probably seen a clip of that by now.
Ready, player one.
Good times.
Great times. They want the link.
He was there to elevate me. Yeah, he was there.
He
to get
was.
me fired up.
Fire you up.
I'll show you, Pikachu.
Who else has tried? Anyone else has ever streamed on YouTube? Anyone or Twitch or any of that? Anyone?
There's gotta be one person.
Twitch? Oh, nice. Twitch.
Twitch, nice. You do like gaming? Oh, we got a bunch of Twitch guys.
Nice. What do you guys stream?
We got Christian, we got Sona, we got John.
Gameplay.
Johnny Gems.
Johnny Gems is here?
Yeah. Nah,
Oh.
he might be, but I'm not sure.
No, John's on the road today.
I'm missing him.
He's driving back
He's
to
probably on his way back to
yeah, to
Florida.
Florida. Yep.
Yeah, because he said earlier this week, he said something about driving back down.
Yeah. Stream
awesome.
Fortnite. Nice.
I'm be praying for his safe travels. Honestly, the roads aren't too bad though.
Yeah.
So that's a good time to get up out of there too, because I think they said like tonight was when it was going to get crazy.
Well, like a big storm coming in?
Ain't gonna be going nowhere.
Oh, damn.
It's like supposed to be so crazy that like Louis G. It's supposed to snow all the way down Texas.
Damn.
That polar vortex coming full force.
Damn. Yeah, gaming is really big. Gaming is really big. What games you guys stream? Got Fortnite, Call of Duty. What's up, Sandman? How are you, bro? Happy New Year. Blessings, G. Hope you and your family are well.
G, bro.
Hell yeah.
4G.
Sandman 4G.
Oh, I love seeing his name pop up in the chat.
Facts.
PUBG.
The Sandman. I never heard of that. Is that a game?
PUBG. Yeah, it's like a it's like Fortnite, but like you don't build. It's just like a military style where you like fight to the last one living.
Oh, okay.
Dude, I played it one time in high school with my buddy, and we were both driving a car. So I think it's so funny. And then I got shot out. He thought I was still alive, but I was trying to tell him that I wasn't. And he's screaming, "Stop the car! Stop the car!" I'm like, "Bro, I'm dead."
I'm dead, bro. I can't move.
It was like the one time I played that. It was funny though. I think that's why I remember it. Yeah, when PUBG come out? Anyone in the chat remember? It's been a while since that game come out, bro. That's probably why you've never heard of it too.
Yeah, who's on the card tonight? Honestly, I didn't even Oh, nice. Oh, I might have to watch this.
2012 for PUBG, you think, TK? Something like that, probably.
Yeah, Islam probably takes this.
Who is it? Islam and
Kevin Holland's fighting?
I don't even know who that is. I know Islam, though.
Yeah, this dude's a beast. 26-1.
I know, and then wasn't his like one loss because he's like brothers with like Khabib. And
yeah, he's like
it's like dude. Apparently, he's like the only one that has a loss out of like all those. Like,
the only guy.
Like train and Russia.
Damn.
They eat on him.
They
all
probably.
the time for it.
Wow.
Yeah, you got a loss on your record, buddy. He said that. I seen an interview. He used that as a chip on his shoulder, going,
Damn.
"I ain't never losing ever again."
Sheesh.
He's got to go back home with all his boys that are insane fighters as well, and they just, they probably do it to, what do you call it, motivate him as well.
Yeah, no, that's being around excellence. That's legit being around excellence right there.
That is.
So,
they want him to be perfect. They want
perfect.
They don't ever want to see him lose at all. They want to see him dominate.
Yep.
I love that.
Yep.
They actually did the Nelk Boys did an interview with them. Like a podcast or not a podcast, it was like a vlog where they went to Russia and went in their like training facility and were like training with them. It's crazy. It's just like this gym in the middle of nowhere in the woods in the snow with a little lake next to it, and they'll go in there, box, fight, train, whatever, come out, run like 20 miles around the snowy forest and then do a
get chased by a couple bears,
go back in. Yeah, like, it was crazy, dude. But honestly, like, they're talking about like that's the life that you needed if you want to be successful, right? You don't have any distractions. You're locked in on.
Absolutely.
You don't have anything else there to do.
True.
So they take away all the distractions, and that's W.
TK, how we doing? He's here. He's here.
The Tech King.
TK. Yeah, it's 4 hour. How did Oanda's 4 hour candle close?
Bullish.
Bullish,
With a
like
nice
above
packet
anything?
grabbed.
Yeah, like did it close above?
It closed above like 2680. I'm looking at the 4 hour. Let me see where. Let me drop down some time frames. The
Yeah,
only thing
we're clean.
Oh, and it's like there's a little bit of something on the 1 hour at 89, 2690 maybe. But on the 4 hour, it's not there. It's just like a wick.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, it is there on the 4 hour.
Yeah, I think this resistance here is probably the best one.
What is the price at for you? 27.21. That's must be why, because on Oanda it's only at 26.86. That's so weird. It's like a $50 difference.
Yeah, the charts are all. That's the only weird thing when it comes to like knowing both chart. Like there's two different charts. Sometimes the price action is completely different too. Like bro, there was one time in London where literally on the one chart price was going up, on the other one price was going down. It was wild. I was like, what?
Yeah, that is wild. Yeah, but like on my thing, I'm like looking and there's like a resistance a little bit at 2690. But like on your chart, we're already $30 ahead of that.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
So, I think we're looking good.
Yeah, I've only taken one buy position here today. That was it. So let's see if we can get something else. Might be taking this party into the clubhouse pretty soon. Pretty soon. The Eagle 4000. The Lock 30. Yo, the Lock 30 bots. C Melly in the building. What up, C Melly? It's Friday. We golfing? You golfing today or what? Talk to me. Yo, what up, Nico? What's good? Nice, took buys. Very nice. Time for the gym, eh? Yeah. Crazy price action here today. Been bullish though. Really been bullish outside of like that a couple minutes where the news came out and the numbers are green and prices ripping down. So other than that, price action flipped. I mean, we came down. We talked about this daily bottom wick being created in the breakdown today, this morning, right? When price was way up here, that there was a possibility for that daily candle to come down, form that bottom wick and continue pushing. And that's pretty much what happened here. Pretty much what went down. Is it too cold for golf? Never. Wait, did C Melly answer? It wouldn't surprise me if he was golfing.
You probably don't want to golf around that though. That might be.
Nah, I played like a couple weeks ago in the morning and it was so cold. Golfing Sunday? Let's go. Today should be actually pretty nice. It's already 52. I think we're creeping up into the 70s here today. The weather shift has been a little annoying. Yeah, today we hit a high of 72. So it should be a nice afternoon. Playing golf through the winter? Yeah. Florida winter is the best here, man. Tough to take anything? Yeah, I think so too. I think you might as well at this point sit tight. At least wait for the 30. I mean, it would be. I'm pretty bullish here, right? So like, if we can get like this next, or even the 15-minute, right? So if we go to the 15-minute time frame, if we can get like a candle to push down, right, and just give us some sort of like support because we haven't really had one, something like this, right? Maybe even a close with like very little to no bottom wick. And then maybe you can catch, the move back up here, like that. Or even if you waited for something like this to take place, I think that's going to be the better buy, right? Because you break, you retest, you create support, you have volume coming in, and then I think that's going to be the better position for the buy there. And then look, if the buys don't play out, then you also have an option of maybe you get that support here, or you get that red closure. And then I wouldn't necessarily take the sells just there, right? Because you're very bullish at the moment. But let's say you get this candle here now to kind of close without a wick, right? Or something like that, where we attempted, but we couldn't do it. And then the next candle closes bearish below. I mean, I love this setup right here. This I always take this move. So something like that. And then again, remember, a previous exhaustion wick later becomes a wick to fill. So maybe that can go down as well. So those are the two scenarios that I would look to participate in here. Sells would be like right here on this candle. So confirmation candle right here, right? Closure below support and a fresh support at that. And then this is your trading candles, right? Targeting that wick fill. Or like I was mentioning, you get that red candle there, and then maybe a new support forms there. Otherwise, price could just keep moving up and up and up and never give us any sort of support. All right, this would be great. Exactly. Yeah, you've been running up now, at least on the 15-minute time frame, for almost 245 points. So, yeah, it gets tough. Snow on Monday. Yay. Yo. Comedy. Definitely looking for a support. Yeah, me too. And look, the higher it goes, I mean, you're just going to have patience. You're going to have patience here today. So if it goes higher, then what do? You just wait, right? You got to wait a few more candles, and waiting a few more candles is always better than taking a stupid trade, right? And then you wait for things to line up exactly how you want to see them. And then you really don't have to mark that resistance off at that point, right? You're just breaking, you're retesting, and then your buy can come on that next candle there. I think there's more news here too, right? So you should get more volume pumping in. Yeah, 10. Yeah, so we know that 930 is coming up here. We know that we've got some volume candles. So again, this would be nice to see this candle maybe close without a wick at the top. The next one push bullish real quick, come up, give us a rejection, do something like this, right? This is your 930 to 915. 930 to 945 candle, and then 945 potentially give you the fade or something, right? Where you kind of bleed a little bit, but then you can enter buys in the break of the high. Right, and then be able to go like that. So, yeah, we'll see. How to close partials on Tradeovate? You have to take another order out. So if you're in a buy, you have to take a sell limit. Yeah, and then put that wherever you want to have your partials. Want to buy so bad, but yeah, sometimes you just can't get in. The only decent place to get in off the 15 might have been like right here. Why don't I have a monthly record on stream? I don't know. I just think it's stupid. I just think it's some egotistical. Look at my record, you know, blah, 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 blah. People nitpick it. And, you know, I'm not here to entertain. I'm here to educate and, you know, talk trading. I have my TradeZella and stuff that I'm going to be using. I'm not even using the journal anymore. So, yeah, we're not doing a record, stream record, none of that BS anymore. Update the record quotes are retired, so we're gonna put it on the shirt. We're gonna get the update the record shirts, and then we're gonna leave it at that. NQ may go short. Yeah. Update the record, bro. Later, Xander. Have a great weekend, bro. Hey, by the way, tomorrow's webinar is going to be hosted by Rafi. So he's got some gems in there for you tomorrow in the clubhouse. Don't miss it. Obviously, it'll be recorded. So if you can't make it live, it's not that big of a deal. But, yeah, tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern, we're going to go over some psychology, some mental performance tips and tricks that you can use and help you dial in here early in 2025. Early.
Cook.
The journal? Nah, I'm not using the journal. I'm putting everything in TradeZella now. Yeah.
Later, Xander.
Peace, brother.
Enjoy your weekend, brother.
NASDAQ looks good for buys. Someone likes sells. Someone likes buys. Let's take a look.
Beauty of the market.
4 hour pulling back here. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, daily was bearish there. So 4 hour trying to close up bearish. See if that 4 hour can close below, because then you may be able to fill that wick. Right? But what's that going to look like? So if you get a wick fill in the 4 hour, how should that look on like a 30 or a 15? Right? So you should see a move up, a couple green candles, and then you should see some sort of resistance, right? And when that resistance is formed, if it's strong, right, and it's something that you like, that's where you can start taking those sells now to fill that wick, right, on that next 4 hour candle. So we're pulling back now. 4 hour candle close in like 30 minutes. So we'll see how that goes. ES should be the same exact price action, I'm assuming. Yeah. Dum, dum. Any reason for it? Yeah, because actually with TradeZella you can build out the journal. So I still have everything in there, like buy, sell, breakout, onion, celery. You know what I mean? So it's all under one umbrella now, which is nice. Shafiq, let's go. Let's go. Looking forward to seeing you in July, brother. We'll be there. We'll be there. All right, back to Goldie. Yeah, wow, 9:30 is upon us. Some of you guys are thinking fade. Some of you guys are thinking fade, I bet, right? Yeah, just wait, just wait. You know what happens when gold likes to rally. Give me a moment, I'll be right back.
Oh, hey, I'm looking at GJ. Who trades GJ still? I want to know in the chat. Anybody? Anybody? Dude, I ain't seeing nothing. Phil sometimes. Okay, okay. She looking like a bleeder on GJ. Nah, I don't trade GJ though. I don't touch that. Yeah, I haven't traded GJ since May. I can remember May of 2023. TK, your shins still have dents. Yeah, dude, GJ is like that razor scooter, you know? You swing it around too hard and it'll come back and bite you. Bite you the wrong way. Right in the ankles. Gold and GJ is your pairs of 2024? Gold and GJ were my pairs until 2023, and then it's just been gold only. For me personally. Because it's just, it got to a point where it was like, you know, I was trading both. And then, you know, once you get a little bit of a history or whatever, and, you know, I go back and I look and I'll be like, wow, man. When I would take losses on GJ and, like, there would be playbook trades, right? But they just didn't have as high of a probability as the same setups I've taken on gold. So I just had to cut that one out, you know, in order to maximize my profits. And because that's all you really need is, you know, get really good at one pair. That's all you need to make money. So gold's awesome. It's in the New York session. That's where I like to trade. A lot of the fundamentals that I like to follow too play out with gold. So yeah, and I feel comfortable trading gold too.
Good old GJ.
No GJ. Yeah, dude. Towards the end of the GJ, honestly, it was making me uncomfortable. I wouldn't even want to place a trade because I'm like, dude, this is perfect playbook setup, but like, just the way it was acting.
Yeah, especially in NY.
Often. It was like I don't know. It was like the win rate would end up going from like what I was used to being like 70-80% to like 50%. But just like you said though, just a second ago, was like, I believe it was because we're trading at New York session, and if you look at both of those pairs, like pound is a European pair, and then Japanese yen would be like Asian session. So
yep,
London and Asian would be your volume times. Or
yeah, once it slowed down in New York, it was just, I think naturally I stopped trading it. I just found no trades on it in New York session.
Yeah. See, I'd see like a couple, but I just like wasn't like jumping out at me. Maybe that's like what it was then too. For you a little bit, because you like say you weren't seeing any setups.
Yeah, true. Talk about the fade a little if you don't mind. Going through some trade and analyzing them, seeing, yeah, so the fades on my losses on the fade positions. Yeah, so usually if you are taking a loss on the fade, most of the time it's just because you're not in like the higher time frame zone yet. So keep that in mind. So one of the big things about the fade is, are we in some sort of like a 4-hour daily targeted area? So that adds a lot of confluence. Like you can probably make an argument here that the 4 hours coming up, and yeah, we may not you know, reverse down fully, but you see how the next 4 hours over here kind of came down, created support. You see this move up? Does it look familiar? Right? Price action tends to do the same thing all the time. So if you look over here, right, it looks very familiar to that. So as you're coming up in this targeted area now, you see how you're tapping into it. This is where you may get the next 4-hour candle to be the one that starts to pull back, right, and begins to bring price back down to either create some sort of a new support, also pull the daily candle back a little bit. So you are technically coming up to somewhat of an area now, right? So now what are you looking for? So now you're going down to like 15-minute time frames, 30-minute time frames, and you're starting to see rejection. So if this candle here can flip bearish and then make a small wick, right, one like this, right, and then close bullish, So like a little wick like that. So what you'll notice is you'll start to see rejections. Keep this in mind. You can write this down if you like. You will begin to see on a bullish idea here, you'll begin to see bigger top wicks, smaller lower wicks, 4-hour daily, higher time frame targeted areas, right? And then you want to see, so you see that wick now, you want to see the next candle attempt to fill it and fail, basically. So let me just draw the candle how ideally it would look good, right? So something like this, small wick, right? Small body. And then maybe another small wick. Like sometimes if the volume's not there yet, wait for another candle, right? And again, the smaller bottom wicks are key, and the steeper top wicks, right? So you start to get struggle, and then that's your opportunity. So as volume begins to come in, and if this happens and correlates with volume, then you could look to enter either, on the break of these lows here. Yeah, and that'll typically tend to give you that push that you're looking for, and yeah. Little nuances that go into it. Those are the most important ones, I would say. So if this candle now can close bullish, and look similar to that, and then the next candle kind of breaks the low, right? Then that's an opportunity to get in as well. Yeah. Yep. So we'll see what that 4-hour wants to do here. I personally don't like getting in here. Like sometimes you can. So this is where I tend to find I don't have as much success with the fade is when I get jumpy and I get in now. And now I'm in and my entry's here or something, and then like this candle ends up closing bullish, and then the next one will try and fill the wick, and at that point it's like now you're back in drawdown when you could ideally wait for a little bit better circumstance. If it drives now, just miss the move, right? Because more times than not, it won't push here, right? It'll kind of like flip up and give you a small wick, and then the next candle break the low. So that next candle is coming in 6 minutes. Yeah, it takes some time. Takes some time to watch this happen over and over again and get stopped out. You got to get stopped out. You got to get stopped out. You got to take losses. You got to take wins. Then you got to, analyze the difference. Hey, what happens when we get stopped out? What tends to happen when we win? You know what I mean? So you can't be afraid to fail. Can't be afraid to sample size, analyze, and all that good stuff. Yep, just keep watching it. Yeah, chart time. Keep getting in too soon. Yeah, I think that was my and that's understandable, right? You're looking to fade, so quote unquote you're looking to call the top in a way, right? But instead of just trying to call the top when you have those little details that I just mentioned. That those are going to be more clues to maybe this could be the top versus just a guess, right? Okay, this could be the top. So that's kind of what that does for you. The fade win rate. Ask me Monday, because I'll have to go in and take a look. Yeah, ask me again on Monday. But it is pretty good. Once we got those little fine little workings out, and we're able to take, get stopped out and understand why and reanalyze and revisit and recap the trades. Those are things that we found. If you're not waiting for that type of stuff, you may be early, right? So that's all. And then what I wouldn't do also is, if we're not really in any sort of 4-hour, like if this isn't really there, then there's no point in fading here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, let's see this. Oh, yeah. When was that again? That was London. Yeah, London. Haters will say it's fake. Yeah, that was London. London was money. So this is the power of price action. You see he marked off 4-hour highs. So this was a trade that we took in the clubhouse during London the other night. And it was just perfect. You know, there was a little bit of some stuff over here. That's where you go break even. Also, if you have goals like, hey, I want to make 200 a day, 300 a day, right? You could start trailing stops once you get a little bit past that point. But yeah, this was a beautiful trade here. That's right. See how the candle's flipping bullish now? So the sells are just not valid yet. Did I take any trades? I took one trade today. Yeah. One buy position. It was taken right here. Right here. So price was moving up, right? Moving up, came down, created support, big rejection. Buy was taken right here. Close partials, then the rest got hit at break even. Oh no, I'm sorry. I needed that one hit the full TP. Yeah, so that in reality my full TP probably would have been, so this was my trade, right? So break of that high, stops kept below like the lows here, and this really is the trade right here. So the only thing is I only needed 1,300 or so, or less. I needed to make less than 1,500, so I just put a little TP like right here, just where it was like 1,300, and then that was it. Just whatever. I didn't really care if it went any further than that. Let's see. I think we might call it here, chat, on this lovely Friday. I'd probably be waiting for a support at this point. And then once that support shows up, that's where the play is. I think we'll take this party into the clubhouse for the 10 a.m. news. And, yeah. My XFA, yeah, I'm not going to trade my 2 XFAs today. I have them here, but I don't want to trade them on NFP Friday. So I'm just going to trade my little, these 50Ks and see what we could do with them. Sam, you pulling up? Clubhouse?
Clubhouse.
We in the club. It's Friday. We're in the club. All right, cool.
Clubhouse is dope, bro. I just love like all the people that could like put on their cameras in the clubhouse once like we get into it, and you know, kind of get to know everyone a little bit better. It's awesome, bro.
It is a vibe. It is a vibe.
Right now while the YouTube's on. It's awesome,
shameless.
Bro.
He hit the shameless clubhouse plug.
It's awesome, man. It's like this is the place to be.
Yeah,
we're really trying to do this.
It's definitely a passion project of mine and something I'm really proud of and really ready to rock out and just breed millionaires in that clubhouse. So that's the vision. You know, that's the long-term vision. So yeah. All right, cool. Well, hey. Squad, great week. I hope you guys had a good one. I hope you, whether you were red or green, I just hope you followed your plan and staying consistent on what you said you were going to do before the year began. Remember, we're only 10 days into the year. I got good news for you. Most people already quit. Most people already broke the code. They already broke discipline. But not you, not me. Let's keep pushing forward. We got a long year ahead. Day by day is where we win, gang. Day by day. All right? Love y'all. I'll see you guys in the clubhouse on Saturday. If you guys aren't in the clubhouse, feel free to join. Pull up to the webinar on Saturday. Rafi's going to absolutely crush this thing. So I will see you guys next week. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Blessings to you and your family. We gone. Peace.
We gone.
Hey, it's party time. I want all you guys dancing. Let's get it. Peace, chat.
Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot.
Later.
Family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I signed with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet. Talk about it, things they're gonna say when they see me. And when they see me, they just dap me up and say good to meet me. I keep it going, flowing over this and make it look easy. Easy for me to say I do this every day of the week. I'm eager to be the one they talk about when all said and done with it. I'm the feature that they want, but then they don't when I come with it. I'm a seed, still a seed, filler, blow up the numbers. And I ain't leaving no crumbs, so you know when I'm done with it. I'm a new school vibe with an old soul, oh so great. Stay paid by the boatload, don't go chasing a wave. I'm a rowboat, blow smoke right through the face of the ozone. Oh no, I got the bag, I'm back to just double it. I'm about to pop the top, I've been bubbling. They want the spot, but I do not cut them in. They tryna plot my drop, they been huddling. Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I signed with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up
Yo,
like violence.
I know a lot of people praying for my downfall, but the only thing that I'll be down for is being top 5, but like down 4. I'm down to earth like the ground floor, but I've been flying so long, I tend to ask people, what's the ground for? Man, I'm only headed up, see my flow volcanic, this the fire I erupt. Heard the fans getting rowdy cause they haven't had enough. You know I'm running the city, you just running out of luck. Yeah, I said that with my chest, I flow hard, it's no wonder they easily impressed. I'm so far, but I'm always coming back with something fresh. I never rest, swear you'll never catch this ego in a nest. I invest my time in a booth, I find a piece. I used to piece the boom in my mind. My ex knows this, let me expose this. She left cause she don't wanna be with an explosive. Man, I'm just
feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I signed with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet.
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center, hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, is no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better bad because I'm bigger, better. Solo single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Kinda came and crushed the competition, hope they get the message. Look, living it fast, spinning my M in the bag. I never go slow, thinking I'll crash. End up a thing in the past, they know I won't though. Big fish catching me, they gon' need a bigger boat. Ironic how the world stops when I spin a globe. Always showing up. Right. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Right. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center. Yeah, trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center.
B.O.D. Get the spell check, a fact check, and prevent errors going up. See the bent lever, jalapeno hot, y'all just red peppers. All y'all copy copies, but I'm left center. And your shorty glitching on me like a text center. Hit it with a French tenor. Crazy wait until I do the next record. I leave head severed. I don't need to hit the bench ever. But if I do, I'm PRing to the next level. Condo flights to Lufthansa. Already know who you people fans of. Call me Big Daddy in a big body Wrangler. Call me Big Daddy Adam Sandler. Bullseye, aiming for a cottage with a poolside, full size.
Always showing up. Right. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Right. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it.